Here I got a Sunday First Wave in the toothpaste green. On my bars I'm riding Kink Human 8.75, 29 width, ODI long neck grips with ODI bar ends. I got the FitShiv 2 fork with, on the front wheel I got a FitFaf teal wall, and the wheel is a Odyssey hazard light laced to a Demolition Bolinia, which is normal Dance Comp Sapium spokes. Then I got a Eastern slider seat with a Kink stump seat post and just a random rod seat clamp. Then got McNeil trans black pedals with Primo holobites with a 23 tooth Stolen Eternity sprocket and Shadow Conspiracy interlock 2 chain. And then in the back wheel I got a FitFaf teal wall with a Odyssey hazard light laced to a Demolition Rolls 9-tooth driver. Pretty loud hub, I like it. Left side drive. And yeah, I'll just take a quick walk around my bike. Oh, also a Primo sealed mid-bottom bracket. Oh, an Eastern suppressor stem. I don't like it that much, thinking about getting a new one. And just a stock headset. And I don't care if you subscribe or anything, I don't really give a shit. But yeah, here's my bike. And peace out.